Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do something fun and a little different, and I'm going to do a challenge video. I've been seeing these challenge videos going around on YouTube, doing a full face using only one eyeshadow palette. So your entire face is just eyeshadow, like foundation, contour, bronzer, blush, eyebrows, like the whole ordeal, just using eyeshadow. So I thought it'd be a fun, exciting, and different thing for me to do. And so I am doing that today using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And if you'd like to see that craziness, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the Aveeno moisturizer as my primer. Okay, so now I'm going into Silk Cream and using it as my foundation shade on a fluffy brush. And yes, I do realize this foundation shade is 10 times darker than my actual skin tone. So I'm going to look like an Oompa Loompa. And I realized that the moment I started putting it on. Gretchen, stop trying to make the Oompa Loompa look happen. It's not going to happen. Girl, it's not matching, no matter how hard you blend it. It's not matching, it's not going to match. After admitting defeat with this foundation color, I'm going to go in and contour with the shade Mocha. Now going in with the shade Central Park. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Pooter, and I'm using that as blush. So this was one of my favorite parts of the challenge for me. I went in with Beam as my highlight, and I do this all the time because it's one of my favorite highlights at the moment, so this was definitely the easiest part of the challenge. Rudolph the Shiny-Nosed Reindeer. Alright, now moving on to the eyes. I'm going in with Silk Cream. Now I'm taking buns and I'm keeping that on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, now I'm going in with Soda Pop, and I'm using that to tightline. For the lips, I'm going in with Butter. And I used a patting motion with my finger to apply the shade Butter to my lips. I actually really liked this color on the lips. It was a very nice warm nude. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you decide to do this challenge. And don't forget to subscribe to follow me on my YouTube journey. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!